Bioluminescent waves. Bioluminescent waves are glowing waves caused by the presence of bioluminescent plankton, creating a magical spectacle of light in the ocean waters. Supercells. Supercells are massive thunderstorms characterized by rotating updrafts, producing dramatic cloud formations, and sometimes spawning tornadoes. Penitentes. Penitentes are tall, thin spikes of hardened snow or ice that form at high altitudes in regions with intense sunlight and dry air, resembling a field of icy stalagmites. Aurora Borealis. Aurora Borealis is a mesmerizing dance of colorful lights in the northern sky, also known as the northern lights, created by charged particles from the sun interacting with Earth's magnetic field.